Capresso Froth Pro Milk Frother is a high-quality frother with this froth disc that's easy to remove. You've got 4, 8, and 12 ounce settings for the milk levels. It's a stainless steel frother. You have 3 easy settings to work with. Here is a disc for just heating up the milk as well as an extra foam disc. It has a 3-foot cord. So let's get into putting my disc in so that we can froth some milk. I'm going to fill it up to the 4 ounce level to begin with. This is the cold setting. So this is if you want to make like an iced latte or some sort of iced drink. And this frother makes beautiful velvety foam. So again, this is the cold setting. So I'll pour this on my coffee. So it makes great cold drinks with that. And as you can see, it's a great consistency. So let's fill it up now to the max. And this is the max setting for the frothing. Turn on the hot frothing. And this will, as you can see, it expands the milk. Perfect foam. Pour this into my coffee and it just has this great velvety texture for your drink to enjoy, as you can see there. And now let's look at the warm setting. So this is what you would have if you don't want your coffee super hot. And again, don't fill it above that maximum middle line for frothing. And don't forget that you can also heat up your milk without frothing it. And you can fill it up to the 12 ounce level. A beautiful foam there again. It's easy to clean. You remove the disc and then you can just wipe it out. It cleans up very easily. So I appreciate you watching my review on the Frother by Capresso.